Blackmagic, hands down one of our favorite camera brands, and in 2021 they blew our minds with the Pocket 6K Pro and our Ursa Mini Pro 12K. But we're in an entire new year now, 2022. So in this video, we really want to speculate, salivate, and just discuss about what Blackmagic could be cooking up for the year 2022. So to kick it right off, I think we need to get the obvious thing out of the way. With the Pocket 6K Pro coming up on its 1-year anniversary since the release last year, that begs the question, will there be a Pocket 8K Pro? It's not like Blackmagic doesn't have the technology. There's no reason that they couldn't make an 8K or even a 12K pocket camera, especially when we consider the competitors like Canon already have cameras like the R5 that can shoot in 8K in a small DSLR size format. And if the rules of technology and evolution stay in place, we should think that it's a pretty safe bet that we'll see the power of the Ursa in a more usable body like the pocket camera. Wishful thinking? Maybe. Do I still want it? Yes. And the second thing that we think could be possible for Blackmagic in 2022 is probably the most exciting what if for Blackmagic this year. The possibility of a box or cube style cinema camera. This, of course, is really exciting. And while the Ursa 12K can technically party with the Red and Arri boys, it's been missing a lot of that special sauce. The box format camera has become incredibly popular, with the likes of the Red Raptor or Red Komodo and the Arri Alexa Mini, the poster child of Hollywood. All of these packing a powerful punch in a highly ergonomic housing. A little cube. So all Blackmagic really needs to do is put the amazing 12K sensor into a cube housing. It's either that or possibly a new micro cinema camera. That lineup has gone a little untouched for a few years. Again, wishful thinking, but only time will tell. And last but not least, DaVinci, not Leonardo, Resolve. Especially with Apple's new M1 chips out and in the wild, DaVinci will become completely unhinged this year. More and more editors are abandoning programs like Premiere Pro, which we're on, and Final Cut Pro and going all in on DaVinci. We haven't done it yet because of how integrated we are into the Adobe ecosystem, but we do use DaVinci Resolve at various steps in our pipeline. It is such a powerhouse of a program. The coloring and grading features of DaVinci are second to none and used in massive Hollywood productions, and it is only gonna get better and better and more optimized. But rest assured, whatever Blackmagic does with DaVinci this year, it will be truly unreal. Engine. I'm kidding. I'm joking. And there you have it. Those are our thoughts on what we think potentially Blackmagic could be up to this year. Are you with us? Do you have another idea? Leave it in the comment section below. We want to know what you think they're thinking about in thought. As always, thank you for watching. My name is Matt. We are Viva Media, and we'll catch you in the next video. Do you believe in Blackmagic? In a young girl's heart, got copyright claims, oh, so why did I start singing this song? I'm gonna leave now. Da, 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 da.